All right, here we have Csx G613 grain train, northbound here in Suffolk, here on the Portsmouth sub. This is actually one of my return to the line. It's actually the first Portsmouth sub train I have caught in quite some time. Looks like we have AC 4400 on the point. Yeah, that's an AC 4400 on command. This guy's dynamic brakes on. Yes, it is AC 4400 on the point. Yeah! Yeah, number 13. Thank you. And dash 9 9028. The dash 9's return on CSX. All right. With the Csx G613 hop a grain train. All right. Woo! Man, I messed up on that one. Wow. Csx AC 4400 number 13 and Csx-9 number 9028, both looking good in Y and 2 as they will lead the G613 grain train as he will proceed north to Berkeley Yard. Man, these guys brakes on big time.
They'll talk to you when you get there. That is correct, over.
And there's the end of it right there. Look at that. Well, there you have it, YouTube. And a Csx G613 grain train heading north with Csx AC 4400 13 and dash 9 9028, both looking good in Y and 2. And the dash 9s are quickly returning to service. All right, there goes train number 1. Thanks for watching.